Easy Chill gauge. Now I was looking for a gauge to add Freon in my cars, and I was looking something which is easy to use, easy to read, is affordable pricing, and yet seems durable. And I came across this product. So this one thing is for $13.25. It's made by Easy Chill, and it is also very easy to use, and yet it seems very durable, and it's affordable. So basically, so you have this gauge right here. So when it's green, it tells you the Freon level is low. When it's on blue, it tells you it's good, fitted. If it gets to yellow, that means you got extra Freon in that, so there's an alert right there, and the red is dangerous. That means you got too much Freon in the system. So I really like this one, and it has this end port right here, and it's very solid at this point, which I really like about it. And so basically you just connect it in your low port, let it go, make sure it's tight. And this side you can just buy any Freon can. It could be from Easy Chill company, it could be from SuperTag, AC Pro, whatever the can you buy, whatever you like, based on the price and what's they're selling out there. You can just buy those cans, and you can just attach it right here, screw it, and you plug this to your low port, and you press this button, trigger right here, push it up, and it fills it, and you can look in the gauge if the level is good or not. So it's pretty good, it's a pretty handy item to have. And also you can use just about any size of cans with that. The smaller one, you can use the bigger one, because all you gotta do is screw it off. So thank you very much for watching this video.